Deep in the heart of nature, it is a story of survival, of cunning and adaptability, and it all begins with one visionary man, Charles Darwin. His theory of natural selection rocked the world of science and forever changed our understanding of life on Earth. But how did Darwin arrive at this groundbreaking idea? Well, let's rewind the clock to the early 19th century. The world was a vastly different place, filled with a bewildering array of species, each uniquely suited to its environment. Darwin, a young naturalist setting sail on the HMS Beagle, embarked on a voyage that would shape his entire life in the world of science as we know it. As the Beagle traversed the vast oceans, Darwin marveled at the incredible diversity of life he encountered. From the lush rainforests of South America to the towering Galapagos Islands, he observed countless species, each intricately adapted to its surroundings. But it was on these remote islands that Darwin stumbled upon a key piece of the puzzle. Imagine with us, if you will, the Galapagos Archipelago, a remote cluster of volcanic islands teeming with strange and wondrous creatures. Here, Darwin encountered finches, a remarkable group of birds. What captured Darwin's attention was that each island boasted its own unique species of finch, each with a beak perfectly shaped for its specialized diet. Intrigued by this phenomenon, Darwin began to form a hypothesis. Could it be that these finches had descended from a common ancestor? And if so, how had they diversified to occupy different ecological niches on each island? Back on the Beagle, Darwin jotted down meticulous notes, collecting specimens and observing the variations in these species. It became clear to him that the finch populations were not static but rather displayed a range of characteristics. Some had long beaks for probing flowers, while others had short and strong beaks for cracking tough seeds. But how did these variations arise and persist? This is the heart of Darwin's theory of natural selection. His revolutionary idea was that individual organisms within a species vary, and these variations can give them an advantage or disadvantage in their struggle for survival. In other words, nature selects the fittest individuals to pass on their traits to future generations. Let's dive back into the story. Picture a lush forest where these finches reside. The resources available to them, such as food and shelter, are limited. Those with advantageous traits, such as longer beaks, have a greater chance of obtaining food and surviving to reproduce. Consequently, these traits become more common in the population over time. Now, let's fast forward to the next generation. The offspring of the finches inherit their parents' traits, including those advantageous beaks. And in the continued battle for resources, the cycle repeats itself. The individuals with the most favorable traits have the greatest chance of survival and reproduction, ensuring their genes are passed on to future generations. Over countless generations, this process of natural selection shapes populations, allowing them to gradually adapt to their environment. And through this ongoing struggle for survival, new species can emerge. Darwin's theory of natural selection challenges the notion that species are fixed and unchanging. It offers a powerful explanation for the remarkable diversity of life we see all around us. From the dazzling array of colors in coral reefs to the camouflage of predators in the African savanna, nature's beauty and complexity all begin with the simple principle of natural selection. So, let's raise a toast to Charles Darwin, the master storyteller who unraveled the secret workings of the natural world. His theory of natural selection continues to inspire and guide scientists to this day, reminding us that in the grand tapestry of life, every species has a tale to tell. And it all starts with survival of the fittest.